In today's episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
we're solving the Sherlock and the valid string HackerRank challenge.
Sherlock considers a string to be valid if all characters of the string appear the same number of times. It is also valid if he can remove just one character at one index in the string, and the remaining characters will occur the same number of times. Given a string, s, determine if it is valid. If so, return yes, otherwise return no.
For example, if s is equal to abc, the string is valid because the frequencies of characters are all the same. If s is equal to abcc, the string is also valid, because we can remove one c and have one of each character remaining in the string. However, if s is equal to abccc, the string is not valid, because removing one character does not result in the same frequency of characters.
The solution to this problem consists of a hash map, an array list, and the collections framework. First, we instantiate a hash map, having a character type as the key, and an integer type as the value. Next, for each character in the incoming string, an evaluation is made to determine whether it exists in our hash map. If it does, its corresponding value is incremented by 1, otherwise, the character is put in the hash map with a value of 1. Upon completion of the loop, the hash map contains the frequency of each character in the incoming string. Next, we instantiate an array list, containing the integer values from the hash map. Next, we use the min and max methods on the collections object to calculate the minimum and maximum values contained within the array list, and store the values in the variables, min and max. If the values of min or max are the same, we have a valid string, and yes is returned to the caller. Otherwise, we count the number of min and max values contained within the array list, and store the counts in the variables, min_count and max_count. Finally, if the count of minimum values is equal to 1, or the maximum count equals 1, and the max value is equal to the minimum value plus 1, we have a valid string, and yes is returned to the caller. Otherwise, the string is not valid, and no is returned to the caller.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and share with your friends and family. If you have a better solution, or have questions about this solution, feel free to ask it in the comments below. If you want to see more coding challenges like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?